So I'm gonna try to hard mount this oil cooler today. I've got it kind of zip tied up in place so I could try on the body kit the other day. I'm gonna see what a little drilling, bending, and cutting can do to get this thing mounted. I've kept a bunch of L brackets and miscellaneous parts from cars that I've built and taken apart over the years, kind of in hopes that these brackets would become useful in the future. It appears that that's just what's about to happen. Found a couple, I don't know if you can see them good here, but I found a couple that might work for mounting this oil cooler up. Got my necessary tools. I assume there's going to be a lot of banging involved. Let's see if I can flatten this bend out here without smashing my finger, preferably. This bracket is steel, so should keep from bending pretty well. God, that turned out just about perfect. There's a hole right here. If you can see right here, there's a hole right there that I can use this, put through there. There's access over here. I can put a nut through there to hold that to that hole in the top of the oil cooler. Hole right there. Should line up perfect. Go ahead and cut the zip ties off. Get this oil cooler loose. Now I just have to find a nut to fit this thing. That was quick. I was able to find a nut and bolt pretty quick, and a couple other bolts and a few other nuts just in case I needed different lengths or different sizes. If you don't keep bends like these, you should, because they're super useful when you're doing, you know, custom stuff like this. It seemed to work out pretty good. It fits pretty good. It's not rubbing up against the body or anything. Might need to drill another hole and mount it a little closer. We'll see how it fits with the body kit and all. Alright, so this part right in here doesn't quite fit up like I want it to. So it's going to need some convincing. I'm going to have to do some cutting right around in here. Hopefully that'll do the trick right there. My notch ended up being a little too small. I need to make it a little wider, and that should work. Alright, I got it so it's gonna mount up, right? I just need to drill a hole right in there somewhere. Stand by. That looks pretty solid. I can't wait to get this thing running. It keeps getting closer and closer. I got a list of like, I don't know, 6 or 7 just tiny things that I got to get done like this. I'm just checking them off one at a time. Hopefully I'll be able to drive this thing soon. See you guys later.